Want your UI buttons to actually do something in your Roblox game? Here's how to connect them to the script in under 90 seconds. Step 1. Add your UI button. In Starter GUI, insert a screen GUI, then a text button. Customize the size, position, and text. Step 2. Add a local script. Insert a local script inside the text button. This will control what happens when players click it. Step 3. Connect the function. Write the simple code. Step 4. Test it. Hit play, click the button, and watch the magic. You should see the message in the output window or trigger your custom action. That's it. Now your UI button actually works in your Roblox game. Want to trigger effects, teleport players, or open menus? Just replace the print with your logic. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.